Discover how to use the Happy Waxing Kit by Perron Rigaud. Follow our 3 simple steps. Step 1. Measure. Refer to our fabulous beads measuring chart. Easy to follow, simply use the large and small cups to measure the amount of wax beads you will need. For the eyebrows, pour 1 large and 1 small cupful of Happy Waxing beads into your empty pink tin. Place the tin into the heater. Never pour the wax directly into the wax warmer. Always use your pink tin. Step 2. Heat. Plug in your Happy Waxing heater. Place the lid on and flip on the switch. The wax will take approximately 20 to 30 minutes to melt. To ensure even heat and achieve a creamy texture, occasionally stir the wax with a wooden spatula. You may notice the heater's red light will turn on and off. This is normal and is maintaining the temperature of the heater. The heater will be warm to the touch, but the tin itself can become hot. Before waxing, apply a small amount of wax to your inner wrist using the spatula. If the wax is too warm, switch off the heater and allow it to cool for a few minutes. Then turn the heater back on and retest for comfort. Step 3. Clean and prepare and wax. When waxing the eyebrows, stand or sit on a flat, stable seat in front of a mirror to easily see your wax application. The area should be protected with your no-mess protective sheet. Using a tissue or cotton, cleanse the area to be waxed with the Happy Waxing Clean Purifying Lotion. Notice the direction of hair growth. For best results, be sure the hair is at least 1/8 of an inch long. Prepare the skin by applying just a tiny drop of Happy Waxing Prepare Nourishing Oil. Massage the oil fully into skin. Tissue blot thoroughly. Too much oil could result in the wax not adhering properly. Eyebrow waxing is performed in 2 sections, under the brow and between the eyebrows. For under the brow, apply wax from the inner corner to the tail of the eyebrow. For between the eyebrows, apply wax from the bottom to the top. To achieve beautiful eyebrows and to maintain symmetry, take into account the structure of your brow bone. Let the Happy Waxing begin. Dip the spatula into the wax. Wipe the underside of the spatula against the inner edge of the tin to remove excess wax. Roll and turn the spatula a few times to disconnect the wax and to prevent dripping. Start waxing under the brow. Stretch your eyebrow with one hand. With the other hand, using a small spatula, apply a small amount of Happy Waxing wax from the inner corner to the end of the eyebrow in a smooth and continuous motion in the direction of the hair growth. Roll and turn your spatula to disconnect the wax to avoid any wax strings. The application should be thin, leaving a thicker edge which makes the wax easier to lift when removing. No strips needed. Allow the wax to harden for a few seconds. Touch the wax to make sure it is dry and ready for removal. Hold your skin taut with one hand, which will make the removal much more comfortable. With the other hand, lift the edge of the wax. Staying parallel to the skin, remove in a quick, swift movement in the opposite direction of the hair growth. To wax between the eyebrows, apply a small amount of wax from the bottom upwards. Remove the wax parallel to the skin against the direction of hair growth. After waxing, apply Happy Waxing Clean Purifying Lotion. Apply a drop of Happy Waxing Prepare Nourishing Oil and massage into skin to soothe and remove any wax residue. You did it! Congratulations! Flip off the switch and unplug your Happy Waxing heater. Allow time for the wax to harden. There is no need to clean out the tin. Your tin is ready for its next use. Simply add the easy-to-fill and refill Happy Waxing beads. Store your Happy Waxing heater with its lid on to protect your wax. Our tip: should wax drip on your heater, the Happy Waxing Nourishing Oil can be used to wipe it clean. Be sure to wipe down the heater, as the oil can make it slippery. See you soon for your next Happy Waxing experience.